Welcome to my channel. Today we dive into the legal world of Shark Tank. Have you ever wondered if the deal made on the show are legally binding? Stay tuned. We will explore the legal matter, related laws, famous cases, and more. Legal analysis. Contracting in Pakistan. The primary legislation governing the contracts in Pakistan is the Contract Act 1872. For an agreement to be legally binding, it must be of certain criteria such as offer acceptance, consideration, and intention to create legal relations. Enforceability agreements made on Shark Tank Pakistan can be legally binding if they meet the criteria mentioned above. How specific terms and conditions of each deal would be examined to determine the enforceability. Related laws. Income Tax Ordinance 2001 governs the income tax regulation for individuals and businesses. Sale Tax Act 1990 regulates the sale tax levied on the sales of goods and services. Federal Excise Act 2005 governs the levy and collection of excise duty. Customer Act 1969 governs the import and export of goods, including customer duty. Famous cases: Gabriel versus Kenneth Stockwell 1863 is a landmark case which deals with the contract, and it, it is uh, very important to consider all the legal elements before doing any contract, especially on TV. Contracts made on Shark Tank on Pakistan can be legally binding. It depends upon the specific terms and the condition of each contract. Always consult a legal expert to ensure compliance with the relevant laws and the regulations, and do not follow any media hype or media glory. Always look what is in the contract, and before doing any deal, do consult our legal advice.